Hello and welcome everyone. Myself Dr. Amit Srivas. I'm a director and chief consultant at PhysioCure Clinic Mumbai. Today we're going to talk about acute back pain myth and facts. Why it is important to understand acute back pain. You must have seen lots of videos about back pain on YouTube, but why this video is important? Because this video talk about how to manage your back pain by your own. What is the self-management technique? Latest research says that traditional techniques of treatment like drugs and surgeries are miserably failing. And 60 to 70% back pain are recurrent back pain, means you have back pain episodes earlier. Let's see what are the myths and facts about back pain. Myth number 1 says back pain is a short-term pain which can be treated easily. Once you have back pain, that there's a 3 to 4 times more chances of back pain again to happen in future. So it's a episodic, it's a lifestyle issue. Right education and understanding about your problem will give you long-term solution. Myth number 2 says spinal manipulation or adjustments are main treatment option available for treating back pain. But fact is not that. Manipulation and adjustment might be helpful in 1 or 2% of cases, and that is also a passive treatment. Passive treatment means it makes you dependent on this treatment, but one should take active treatment for dealing back pain. Myth number 3 says that ultrasound electrical modalities are main treatment option available and it's a long-term treatment solution. But fact is, ultrasound and electrical modalities are passive modalities. This won't give you active treatment and it's not a long-term solution. Maybe for acute condition you might feel little bit of pain relief, but you should come to your exercise program as soon as possible. Myth number 4 says that back pain are inflammatory, means inflammation is the cause of back pain. Okay, in some conditions like rheumatoid arthritis or ankylosing spondylitis, inflammation is there. But this inflammation is not the cause of back pain. Major cause of back pain is straining of your supporting ligament of your spine and distortion of the disc in between your vertebrae. Myth number 5 says that back pain is caused by arthritis and osteoarthritis. Osteoarthritis and arthritis are degenerative changes, which you can see in X-rays. But X-ray changes can be seen in people who have no back pain at all. So these markers are not indicators of your back pains. Even if you have changes in X-ray, you will be healthy. Or even if you have no changes in your X-ray, you might have back pain. So these are not the cause of your back pain. So especially if you're looking for, many people say that I should go for X-ray and then decide whether, what is the problem. So you might mislead the cause of the back pain. Myth number 6 is you should take it easy and you should not do any vigorous activities. You should rest. Especially many doctors suggest that you should take 15 days rest or 1 month rest, or taking rest for a long period of time is detrimental to your back pain or your health. So as soon as you recover your pain or your injury, you should start activities and you should move. Myth number 7 says that you should stop your leisure activities like sports activities or jogging, running and walking is myth. But fact says that as soon as you recover from your injuries and recovery is complete, you should start your leisure activities or recreational activities. Permanently stopping your recreational activities is unnecessary. Number 8 says that back pain is caused by damp condition or extreme cold condition. This is not the fact, because in some cases in extreme condition, if you have inflammatory joint, you will have little pain in your joint. But these conditions of weather or this weather condition is not the cause of back pain. Back pain's main cause is postural or mechanical. In next video I'll explain you what is the difference between mechanical back pain and chemical back pain, so that you can differentiate between the two and you take a right kind of advice and how to manage your pain accordingly. If you have liked this video, please press the like button, or you may subscribe this channel to get more videos on this topic.